Welcome to gardening video number 9, how to calculate how much soil you need. On a programming note, my daughter said that I'm way too serious on my videos and I need to smile more. And I told her it's just really not my personality. So, although I am enjoying myself and I enjoy teaching, it's just not in my personality to be all hee. So, in any event, onward to the content. Okay, so whether your first garden bed is going to be an in-ground bed where you just dig up the grass and loosen the soil and then add a certain amount of soil to that garden, or you're going to put down cardboard and pile up a certain amount of soil, or you're going to use a raised bed with wood, either of those methods, you're going to have to figure out how much soil you need to put in there. And if you buy the bags at the big box stores, those bags come in cubic feet measurements. So basically you have to find out how many cubic feet you have in a particular raised bed of yours. For example, this is an 8-foot by 4-foot long bed, and just for simplicity we'll make it a foot high. So you have to figure out how many cubic feet that is. And to find that, you just simply multiply 8 times 4 times 1 and it gives you 32 cubic feet. And then at that point you just divide that 32 cubic feet by the size of the bags, which normally it used to be 2 cubic feet per bag, but now it's 1.5. So you divide that number and you determine that you need 21.3 bags, which you round up to 22 bags to fill a bed like that. But let's say you have a bed that's only going to be, let's say, 4 inches tall here. You can't simply times 8 feet by 4 feet by 4 inches. You need all of those 3 measurements to be in feet measurements. So you have to find out how much of a percentage 4 inches is to 12 inches. So what you do is you divide 4 by 12 and it gives you a measurement of 0.334, which we can simplify as 0.34 feet. So now all of our measurements are in feet and we can simply times those numbers together. And when we do, we get 10.88 cubic feet, which if you wanted to round up to 11 cubic feet, you could. And again, you divide that amount by the 1.5 cubic feet per bag, and you would see that you need 7.33 bags of soil, round up to 8 bags. So that is how you calculate how much soil you need for your cubic foot measurements of the bags that you find at the box stores. Now let's say you were going to buy some soil by the truckload. When you get truckloads full of soil, they use cubic yards as their measurement. So in our previous example, you can see here we had like 1 cubic foot, 1 cubic foot, 1 cubic foot. But the measurement they give you when you get a truckload of stuff is cubic yards. So everything is 3 times larger in all directions. So long story short, let's say they said we can deliver you 10 cubic yards of soil. Well, you just basically times 10 by 3 times 3 times 3. Or 10 times 27, which gives you your cubic foot of 270 cubic feet. And then let's say you were going to fill that one raised bed that was 32 cubic feet. You would need you would be able to fill 8.4 beds with that one truckload. So that's the 2 measurements you're going to get. At the box stores, you'll have cubic feet, and the truckload, it'll be cubic yards. And now you know how to calculate how much soil you need, and you'll be good to go. So thanks for watching, and to my daughter, I know you're embarrassed.